Well, this is a very, very interesting project to me, and it's also brand new in the crypto space. This is going to be its first true bull run, and really it saw its first all-time highs hit within the last few months. But before we get into all of that, none of this is financial advice. This is all for entertainment and educational purposes only. I am not paid by the Tectum team in any way, and I am currently not invested in Tectum at the making of this video. So without further ado, roll the intro and let's get this video started. Like I said, this project is brand new. It's been listed officially since July 6th of 2023 and recently created all-time highs through 2024, specifically in January of 2024, so relatively early in that time. Now, Tectum is currently sitting number 875 on CoinGecko, sitting at $6 per coin, sitting at a market cap of only 47 million, which is very low. Now, what was really interesting to me was this circulating supply of 7.7 million out of the 10 million total in max supply. So this has less than half the total supply of Bitcoin and already has about 78% of the circulating supply in circulation. So dilution isn't necessarily that big of a problem for a project like this. So even if this wanted to get to half the market cap of Bitcoin, it could theoretically hit the exact same numerical dollar value as Bitcoin. And mind you, that's obviously a very, very long shot. I just want to put that into relative terms, into another perspective, so you could see the potential in a project like this and being able to get in at a really low price. Technically, it is built on the Ethereum ecosystem, more so it's using the EVM, but the way that this is working is going to be a side chain. And what a side chain is essentially a layer one that operates independently, that other layer ones are able to communicate with, and in this case perform the function of being a distributed ledger. AKA, this is something that could be competing directly with XRP. As you can see, smart contract, L1, Bitcoin sidechains, and sidechain. So although the contract is through Ethereum and through EVM, it is an L1 solution. Now, what makes this really interesting is that their transactions per second is a whopping 3.5 million. So you're talking about instant transfers, instant payments, things like that, so that this could function, operate within the real world with an insane amount of volume and still be able to basically compete with Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and so on and so forth. And what makes this very interesting as a distributed ledger is that it gives them the opportunity to work with all the ecosystem. So if you go to the actual Explorer, you can see that they already have TET, TEC, USDT, Ethereum, Binance, Bitcoin, and you can see that they are already running and processing transactions and using this test network as is. They've already processed basically over 300,000 transactions all in all through the Tectum Explorer. And clearly it seems to be working. So that's a really good thing. And knowing that this is going to be a cross-chain and a cross-ledger, cross-distributed ledger is going to be very important, because it's not like you're only going to be able to use that one ecosystem or that one blockchain to process the transactions. You're going to be able to process transactions across the board and be able to use the speed, the scalability, and the price for gas fees that Tectum would be using, even though you're selling and buying and doing things with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other things, for example. Tectum ended up winning the Best Blockchain Innovation Award at Leaders in FinTech in 2024. And under the FinTech, it says for several years, this organization has brought financial and technology unicorns within the MENA regions to the limelight. So they are considering a project like this a unicorn. Here's a look at their team, so you know that they are real people. And when I looked into the company that is behind them, it's CrispMind. This is a company that's based in Chicago. And you can see Tectum is basically the front and center with SoftWallet and everything. This is all the front and center for their software company, which is based out of Chicago. And something that I have not seen before, which is really interesting, on top of obviously the 3.5 million TPS, which is insane, but they're practicing and using SoftNotes, which basically is being able to create a dollar or a printable version, a physical version of a Bitcoin tender note or a dollar that could be used in transactions that wouldn't be losing its value as long as it's used in a certain amount of time. So very, very cool next level stuff. And again, this project is super new. If you go on the CoinGecko, you'll tell that it's not really listed in that many places. It's one of those that's a little bit more difficult to get, hence why I have not gotten into it yet. I'm going to be doing this probably after the video, but I wanted to give everyone a nice little opportunity to look into this project and whatever it is about it, just to see if it might fit into your narrative. If you're looking at this from a charting perspective, definitely looking very, very bullish. But before we get into the chart, if you have not checked out the EPIQ Trading Floor, I'm going to tag in the description and in the video. Go check it out. You get access to our community, our academy, members only live streams, macro dashboards, there's blogs, free education, you name it. Everything is on that website. And if you click all access membership, you'll be able to grab a 3-day trial. Now, from a long-term perspective, I love this volume inflow, especially while price is going sideways and accumulating. We're starting to test range lows too, and this is going to be hitting range lows of this volume profile too from the VRVP, which is a really good thing to see. Now, there's definitely a lot of upside for a play like this, because even if it wanted to test the all-time high, which is from January of 2024, that's going to be about $45, and from current price, that's going to put you at about over an 8x move just to test that all-time high. And then from there, the sky is the limit, because you're going to go into price discovery mode. But I can only imagine how much value a project like this could get if blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and so on and so forth start using this distributed ledger in order to process transactions so that they could really reach that ultimate TPS, which is what they all need. Like, for example, Bitcoin only runs 7 transactions per second. So at that point, it's essentially non-feasible for Bitcoin to be ran as any sort of currency that could be spent in real time in the real world. Whereas if you can get Bitcoin transactions to be instantaneous and get it up to that 3.5 million, then you're having a whole different conversation. So this is going to wrap up this video on TET. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. If you want to learn how to trade, go grab one of those spots in the EPIQ Trading Floor. There are limited seats available. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're tuning in the world, and I'll see you on the next one.